then up and racing. Hagdang bato draws for your lead, but Pugad Lawin moving up on the outside to grab the lead. Pencil Strength is by Rail, followed by Steel Creation. Captain Bo, Sulong Pinoy, and Spinning Ridge is the early trailer. Passing by the judge stand. Why don't we give these 7 runners a big round of applause as they pass the finish line for the first time, heading towards the third turn. We have Hagdang Bato takes up the running by the rail, running on the outside. Pugad Lawin racing in third is Pencil Strength, then followed by Steel Creation. Captain Ball running second last, Sulong Pinoy, and a long way back to Spinning Ridge as they pass the Three-Port Malpo. Hagdang Bato still the leader by about a length and a half. Pugad Lawin is right behind in second. Is Steel Creation trying to get closer as they race towards the half Malpo. It's Hagdang Bato leading the field over Pugad Lawin, then by the rail Pencil Strength, Steel Creation. Captain Ball remains in fifth, Sulong Pinoy, and a long way back to Spinning Ridge as they round towards the 600. Hagdang Bato still leading the field, giving a little pressure on the outside is Pugad Lawin as they race towards the 450. Hagdang Bato, Pugad Lawin is on the outside, parting out for the lead. Hernandez on Hagdang Bato. Jesse Basilio Guse on Pugad Lawin is on the outside, and down the stretch and nearing the finish line. Hagdang Bato running by the rail. Pugad Lawin is on the outside. Pugad Lawin now leading the field. Hagdang Bato shuffle back in second, Pencil Strength, and finally Pugad Lawin. Hagdang Bato, Pencil Strength, Spinning Ridge, then comes Steel Creation, Captain Ball, and Sulong Pinoy.